All right, welcome to another video from Shomu's Biology, and this is a series regarding HR interview questions. So we are answering HR interview questions, important HR interview questions. One of such question: why should we hire you? And we are finding the best answer for why should we hire you. If the company asks you why should we hire you, what is the best answer to that? So to answer why should you hire you question, there are 2 points that you need to keep in mind. Okay, 2 important points. The point number 1, your skill fit to this company's need. This is the first in the statement, in the paragraph, what you're going to say in reply to why should we hire you question. The first thing that you should say is your skill fit to the company's need. So set of skills or a particular skill fits to the company's need is very, very important. And second point, keep in mind value that you will bring to this company. Mention about the value that you can add to this existing company. Obviously don't say something like, you're going to do your best and all, because everybody says that. But say the particular skill set that is required for that job, because if you say that, the company will realize that you have done your homework. And also you set the value that is added to the company. You say the company is already an established brand, but you can also add an extra value to it, and that's an extra added advantage. And keep in mind one particular tip: if you are a fresher, mention about your energy, eagerness to learn new skills, and that should be your top priority. Okay, because if you are not a fresher, then why should you hire you question is generally not asked. But if you are a fresher, then high chance that they will ask why should we hire you question. In that case, also add this statement that you are eager to learn new skills, and you can learn new skills, you can adapt to the climate of the adaptability is open. You're opened up about the adaptability of new things and learning new things. Make this thing very clear. So keeping all these points in mind, what we should answer, why should we hire you, best answer, what should be the best answer to the question why should we hire you. And the answer to that in a paragraph is like this. Okay, I believe that my skill set can be well suited for the work requirement of your organization. So the very first point of the 2 key points are already explained. As a fresher, I am always eager to learn new skills, and I will give my full to the company, or give my fullest, you can write, to the company. So as a fresher, the fresher line, that is the third point, I am confident about making a good impact to your organization with the quality of my work. Okay, I believe your organization will provide me a bigger platform to showcase my skills and begin my career. So this is the point number 2. So basically these 3 points are included in this paragraph. If you are a fresher, obviously always include this para. As a fresher, I'm always eager to learn new skills. Must add that. And you should always keep these 2 points. I'm confident about making a good impact to your organization with the quality of my work. Now basically this is the HR round, so they are not going to ask a technical question to you. But if they ask any technical question, you can add technical answer and technical reply to it. Okay, but this as a whole summarizing the why should we hire you best answer, and I believe this is the best answer to the question why should we hire you. So if they ask you this question, you can simply say this, and it's going to help you get the job. All the very best for your upcoming job. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.